Assalamu alaikum, welcome my new video. Now I'll show how we can add multiple display setting. So let's search and go setting, then we will see like this display. So we'll click system, then we will see different types of option, and display is 1 and 2, and display one is running with 2, or I mean the software extend the display. So a multiple display option, we will see different types of option: only show display one, or show only two, or duplicate same display between different two monitor or display, or extend this display means we will use one same display with two device, and here is display resolution and display orientation, which type of orientation we are looking for. Then click and scale and layout. Basically it's recommended based on our monitor display, or you can select this display night option. If you want, you can do it, or you don't need to click it. Thank you, welcome to my next video. Assalamu alaikum.